Thanks everybody for joining us today. My name is Jim Palmer. I'm the design engineer at TechMode, assisting with sales uh, and demos and things like that. And what we're excited here to show you today, the new version 20 of TechmodeGO. And today we're going to be diving into the latest updates of this, our powerful communication and collaboration platform. And whether you are a longtime user or new to TechmodeGO, hopefully you'll find these enhancements incredibly valuable for streamlining your business and operations. So these new updates are designed to bring you a host of new features, improve performance, and significant upgrades across all devices. And our goal at TechMode is to ensure that your communication and collaboration experience is as seamless and efficient as possible. So if you have questions when we move through this webinar, please type them in the chat, and at the end of the webinar, we will address them. As you know, I get distracted easily, so we want to take that and run through the information and then have questions at the end. So with that, let's kick that off. One more thing before we do kick it off here. Version 18, which most of you are on, is being sunsetted and no longer be supported by the end of the year, and all of our clients will be upgraded to version 20 before the end of the year on there. So first up, we can talk about the TechMode web client. New, modern, intuitive interface. The sleek design not only is more visually appealing, but enhances usability, allowing you to navigate through your tasks with ease. Plus, with improved accessibility and faster load times, managing your communications have never been more efficient. There are options for both browsers as well as PWA, and the admin console features are now available within the web client, so you don't have to have a separate login or URL required for this. We've also enhanced the mobile app for experience. So for those of you that are constantly on the go, I think you'll love the enhancements to the mobile application. We've given it a fresh look and improved functionality. And whether you're using Android or iOS, the updated app provides a seamless experience that keeps you connected wherever you are. I'm sure that any of you who use the application, appreciate how easy it is to use and allow you to be more productive. But with a new application, you get faster performance, battery optimization, and a more user-friendly interface that allows you to manage calls and messages and meetings easier than ever before. All right, next we've got the enhanced call manager tools. What we've added is additional queue strategies, such as targeting agents with multiple calls, improve the speed and efficiency of the call barge in and pickup for call center supervisors. And the reporting engine has been redesigned, which improves the existing reports. There's a new API scheduled for release by the end of the year, and that's going to give us some exciting possibilities for future applications that integrate with leading dashboard and reporting tools. I know we've all been requesting this, and that is just on the horizon, and the new platform in place will allow us to migrate to enhance these existing reporting tools. Call Flow Designer, some of you take advantage of this, but there's a new version of the Call Flow Designer, and what this really does is allows you to create, manage, and customize call flows very easily. And whether you need to set up complex routing, based on time of day of week, or just simple call handling, it's an intuitive drag and drop interface, makes it simple and user-friendly. Video conferencing has also received a significant upgrade. So we've optimized the video meetings for better quality, stability, and added new features like virtual backgrounds and improved screen sharing. So whether it's a quick team check-in or a detailed client presentation, you'll have the tools you need for a smooth video conferencing experience. Teams. For our Microsoft Teams users, you'll be happy to know that we've enhanced our integration. So now we can sync presence on the TechmodeGO application with the Teams presence using Microsoft 365. So this ensures your availability is accurately reflected across both platforms and making it easier to stay connected and productive with coworkers. Really nice enhancements for our Teams users on there. And now to the big one I'm sure everybody's interested in is AI. So one of the new standout features of version 20 is the available integration with Whisper AI, and that's powered by OpenAI. This integration allows users to transcribe calls and voicemails directly within the TechmodeGO platform, eliminating the need for external services like Google Drive or Google Transcription. This functionality not only saves time, but also enhances data security by keeping sensitive information within the organization. In addition, every transcribed call is accompanied by a summarized overview and sentiment score. So this addition enables businesses to gauge the emotional context of customer interactions, provides valuable insights for improving customer service and operational efficiency. So whether you're analyzing individual calls or aggregating sentiment scores across queues, ring groups, that type of thing, administrators gain a comprehensive view of what the customer's sentiment is. And in addition to that, we have AI-driven reports and that leverage that sentiment score average. So these reports offer actionable intelligence, allowing managers to optimize team performance based on real-time data and trends. So if you are interested in adding AI and wanting to learn more about that, you can reach out to your solution consultant to get some more information, and we can have a more detailed conversation about that. Next, we're going to talk about security, and with security is always top of priority for us and our clients, and this update includes several enhancements to keep your data safe. With the encryption protocols and improved system stability, TechmodeGO ensures that your communications are not only seamless, but also secure. Some of these include, passwords, removable passwords from the welcome email, password hashing, and two-factor authentication. In addition to this, we also have a quality monitoring tool. So with this new voice quality monitoring tool, you can diagnose and solve quality issues in real time. Easily identify and isolate which leg of the call is the problem with just one click, or view a report in the call history or call logs. You can turn on call quality monitoring right from the three-dot menu on the user, or monitor an active call by right-clicking on the call in the queue. This is great for home users that maybe not on your own internet, and you can do some call quality analysis remotely from that. And next we've got is the simplified management and enhanced permission sets. So we've also revamped the management console to provide a more streamlined experience. So we have easier access to settings and improved tools for monitoring and managing your system. TechmodeGO makes it simpler to keep everything running smoothly. Plus, with the enhanced permission sets, departments now have their own office hours, holidays, and language settings. System extensions inherit these settings, making management more efficient. It's a nice enhancement with the the departments now, and allows us to segment whether that's departments within within a business, or even remote locations having different department hours. A lot easier to manage for that. It's a great enhancement that we've already been taking advantage of. And then lastly, there is some high priority packet settings that we've enabled to improve voice quality, especially on busy networks. So mainly beneficial for mobile app users on Wi-Fi. Use some voice packet ensuring, so everything is sent promptly. You can reduce latency and improve the call quality. So if you're a mobile user, you can expect a clearer and more reliable voice experience over Wi-Fi. So as I mentioned, this is going to be a nice, short, and hopefully informative. But TechMode and the team here at TechMode, we're excited to bring these improvements to the TechmodeGO solution, and we're confident that we're going to significantly enhance your communication and collaboration experience. So as you know, at TechMode, we remain committed to delivering the best possible solution for your business needs, and we look forward to continuing to support your businesses with these innovative solutions. And with that, I'm going to open it up to some questions in the chat and encourage you to ask anything else that you'd like to know. We've got some people online that we can answer those questions.
Okay, it looks like Andrew has a question. Can we require two-factor authentication be used in the organization?
I can take that. Andrew, yes, you can enable 2FA. There's support inherently for Microsoft Authentication app and the Google Authenticator app, as well as if you were going to do single sign-on with Office 365 would also be another way of accomplishing that. But there are two built-in ways using Google or Microsoft.
Thanks, Ryan. We have another question. Are these changes rolling out now or when in the future?
Yeah, I'll take this one too. This is a question I knew was going to come. We are going to be doing a phased rollout of the upgrade over the next 2 months. And I will be communicating with you via email to set up scheduling for that. In the meantime, if there's a specific time that you'd like to request to get this done, you can email support@techmode.com, and I can be fairly flexible on that.
Let me add to that. Hi, this is Matt Look, president of TechMode. One of the benefits we have of being private instances, we have the benefit and flexibility of not having to upgrade everybody at the same time, and at the same moment. So we're slowly rolling out these upgrades to ensure everybody goes well, to ensure that if something happens, we have time and resources to dedicate to fixing a problem if there is, and also that we can schedule it around your time, what's best for your business. So that's what Ryan's doing, is working to schedule these around the best time for you and your business. And the next question after that I'll take also. Is there a licensing fee add-on for OpenAI transcription? The answer to the question is no, there's not a licensing fee, but there is an additional cost because OpenAI does charge for that. They charge us for that. So basically there's a cost, there's an add-on cost for what OpenAI charges us to do the transcription costs. So there's no licensing fee, but OpenAI has a cost, so the cost gets passed on.
One thing I'd like to add on to the migration of v20 as well too, is that we've been deploying version 20 on new clients for months now. And and also, as most of you are aware, we do take our time rolling this out to make sure that we have a stable and successful rollout with new updates.
Yeah, and that's a great point, Jim. Thank you very much. I mean, there is a process that we go through anytime there's a new release out. Basically, we alpha test it, we beta test it, we full release test it, and then generally new installations get it long before previous installed versions get it. So, I mean, we feel this thing's fully baked before we're rolling it out to the general population. So we don't anticipate any issues, but I mean, you never know, right? We've seen large companies burn down before with upgrades and challenges and things of that nature. So again, we like to take our time and make sure that we take a lot of pride in doing things right. And we take a lot of, we're happy you entrust us with your business, and we don't want to burn that trust. So we want to make sure it goes well. So I think I answered the last question about the OpenAI transcription. So whatever question's next, go ahead, Lindsay.
Next question. Does this version integrate caller ID, name, and number any better with Fidelity Connect?
That's a good question, and I don't know that I know the answer to that. So Jim Palmer, can you take that as a takeaway with Sebastian?
Yeah, definitely. We'll get back with you on that, Stephen.
Okay, and then are there any fax features, fax to PDF, coming in the near future?
Fax, phones, and paging are all my favorite things to talk about. No, but I don't know that I understand the question, Eric. Basically, you're looking to do additional faxing to PDF on inbound or outbound, if you don't mind. Mind give me a little bit more information on that, Eric?
Yeah, and we have a e-faxing service that does fax to PDF today. So it's a little bit of a separate discussion to the version 20 for 3CX rollout. But yeah, we absolutely have a fax solution that does fax to PDF. And we can get you more information if you don't currently utilize that.
Eric, do you know who your account rep is? I would absolutely email your account rep, or if you just want to Kurt, perfect. Eric, reach out to Kurt. Kurt can get you information on that. And if Kurt has any problems, he can reach out to me. We'll get you the information. But yeah, we have something very similar to that. Andrew answered the question on some EFACs. I think that caught us up on questions. New question. Does the new 3CX desktop app have any lock screen dial pad capacities in case a user is locked out of Windows? I don't know that I understand the question. Jim or Ryan?
I understand the question, and that is not something that's currently available, but it's something that could be a feature request, possibly. So we could look into doing a feature request for that, but that is not something that is currently available on the newest version, unfortunately.
Okay, Steve. Yeah, Steven, if you wanted to put something together on that, give me a paragraph or something on that, shoot it over to me. I'll be happy to submit it. I happen to know who your account rep is, Steven, so. Any other questions for anybody? All right, guys, I appreciate everybody joining the call.
Yeah, thanks for your time. Thanks for your time.
We're going to try to do some more of these more often, and I'm glad everybody joined, but we're going to try to roll out something like this once a month with features, functionalities, maybe some how-to cool stuff. So you'll try to start looking for some more of these from Tech Mode in the near future. But we appreciate your time, and be on the lookout for more emails as your rollout starts coming to you. So thanks again.
Thanks, everybody.